Take a look at this YouTube channel. It gained over 50,000 subscribers with just 26 videos, and almost every video is getting millions of views. And all they're posting are these ant war videos. Now here's the crazy part. Today I'll show you how to create these exact videos using AI. Let's get started. I've created a master prompt for you. You'll find the link in the description. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT will generate multiple image prompts and matching video prompts. For example, let's create a spider versus ant war scene. Copy the image prompt. Now open Flow AI and click on Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio. I'm making shorts, so I'll select 9:16. Set the number of outputs, paste the prompt, and click Generate. And within seconds, your images are ready. Now go to Create Video in Flow AI. Select Frames to Video. Choose your aspect ratio, number of outputs. Choose Created Image as Frame 1. Now copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click Generate. And just like that, your AI Ant War video is ready. Take a look. It looks realistic and super engaging. Save it. Here's another one I created using the same method. And that's how you can create these viral ant war videos using AI and grow your channel. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials. And comment below what niche you want me to cover next.